Hi everyone, this is Laura from Hint of Mitten, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper saucer that also goes with the teacup. This paper saucer has accent panels that can be done in a floral pattern or an accent color, and then you also have the base here made in two different pieces. Here I have the different pieces that were cut out with a cutting machine that can be done with a Cricut or a Silhouette. And these pieces I pulled exactly from the cutting mat and laid it exactly in place. And then I have here the main part of the saucer and the bottom of it. I have this quick dry tacky glue that I like to use just because it helps everything hold together in place versus a typical scrapbook glue. And I have a paintbrush here just in case my glue comes out too much and I want to spread evenly into place. We're gonna first start with the main part of the saucer. You can see these different score lines that were made with either a score pen or a scoring wheel on your cutting machine. We're gonna be folding everything first on these score lines, and then we're gonna be adding the rest of the pieces to this one. So I'm gonna start here and just start folding everything on these score lines. Everything folds inwards. Once we have finished folding everything, the main part we're going to glue here is this piece right here. So we're going to fold this back and we're going to be adding glue to this part right here. In my case, where it came out a little too much, I have my paintbrush to smooth into place. I'm going to take the two ends and line them up, the top and the bottom, and hold this in place till the glue dries a little bit. And now we have our main part of the saucer. Now we're going to take this piece here, and it's important that you use this based off how it came off the mat to fit in place. So I'll show you here. It's going to kind of go like this. So before we put it in place, we'll need to add glue to all these different flaps and place this on top. Okay, so here it is. I had made a slight mark so I knew what side went here. And we're going to put it into place. Once it has set in the spot of your liking, then we're going to be adding these accent panels on the top part here of the saucer. So this part right here lines up with this piece, and we'll work our way around to end up here. So starting with this one, I'm going to flip it over and add some glue. And I like to just smooth it around. Line it up in the center of your segment here and smooth down. And we're just going to repeat these steps for all of the accent panels. And here you go. You have your final saucer with all the different accent panels, which will pair perfectly with your teacup and will sit right here. Thank you.